Wow, friends, President Biden is taking action for the American people. He is urging that companies lower their prices of everyday necessities, including gas and groceries. Several more state governors have also agreed to provide relief to their residents to offset the rising gas prices. So my friends, please make sure that you watch until the end of this video for the complete details. I will be giving away 4 $75 Walmart gift cards every week. If you would like to enter the giveaways, please make sure that you click and like several of my videos and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. Friends, the more videos that you comment on, the greater your chances of winning the giveaways. During the months of October, November, and December, I will be surprising several of you with $200 gift cards to say thank you so much, friends, for being part of this community. So today, President Biden threatened to pursue higher taxes on oil company profits if industry giants do not work to cut their gas prices. President Biden has criticized oil companies that have made record high profits. This comes as consumers struggle to keep up with high gas prices. According to AAA, today the price of a gallon of gas was $3.76. It is down from a record of $5 in June, but still much higher than a year ago. When asked about gas companies, President Biden said, "It is time for these companies to stop their profiteering. If they don't, they're going to pay a higher tax on their excess profits." With just 8 days to go before Election Day, White House messaging has focused on how Democrats are working to improve the economy and how Republicans would make it much worse. Inflation and the economy consistently rank as a top issue for voters, and higher gas prices stretch consumer budgets for much of this year. Any new taxes on oil profits would need congressional approval, which may prove difficult as Democrats control both chambers of Congress by slim margins. Progressives like Senator Bernie Sanders of Vermont and Elizabeth Warren of Massachusetts previously floated the idea. Republicans who generally support lower taxes also hope to win back one or both chambers of Congress in the November 8th midterm elections. Shell made $9.5 billion in profits in the third quarter, almost double what it made in the same period last year. Exxon's profits in the third quarter were $18.7 billion, nearly triple what Exxon made last year, and the most in its 152-year history. President Biden has made pleas to oil companies to increase production rather to enrich shareholders in recent weeks, as the price of gas remains very high. Just earlier this month, President Biden announced the release of 15 million barrels of crude oil from the Strategic Petroleum Reserve. The White House has released about 165 million barrels of crude oil from the reserve since the beginning of this year. Out of that total, it said would be around 180 million. Biden promised in his earlier speech to purchase oil to refill the reserve once the price hits $70 a barrel. He said companies should therefore invest now and increase production, with the confidence that the government will purchase the oil later. So dear friends, what are your thoughts on this? What does our government need to do to reduce oil prices? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Friends, the key word for this video is Spokane River. If you would like to enter the next Walmart gift card giveaway, please make sure, friends, that you click and like several of my videos and then comment below this keyword, which is Spokane River, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And do make sure, friends, that you're also subscribed to my channel. AAA reported today that gas prices in Florida fell last week, but are set to rise this week when the state gas tax holiday expires on Tuesday. The tax holiday has allowed drivers in Florida to fill up their tanks without paying the state's 25.3 cents a gallon gas tax. The gas tax holiday, which is part of a broad tax package approved this year by Florida lawmakers and Governor Ron DeSantis, started on October 1st, when the state sales tax holiday was implemented at the beginning of the month. Gas prices declined a total of 22 cents within a couple of days. But the savings for drivers did not last long. In a recent news release, AAA stated, during the first week of October, OPEC announced plans to cut its oil production rate, which sparked a 17% oil price hike, raising the cost of producing gasoline. This ultimately dragged Florida gas prices back to where they were before the state's gas tax holiday. The city of Chicago motorists are speaking out after OPEC announced it's slashing oil production by 2 million barrels a day come November, raising great concerns that gas prices could spike again across the United States. The Chicago City Council narrowly approved Mayor Lori Lightfoot's $12 million plan to give out prepaid gas and transit cards to provide relief from much high gas prices. Under the new Chicago Moves program, the city has issued $150 gas cards and prepaid $50 transit cards to hundreds of thousands of residents. Mayor Lori Lightfoot's plan passed by a vote of 26 to 23. So, dear friends, please let me know in the comment section below if your state or city should send out gas relief checks. Well, my amazing and beautiful dear friends of mine, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so much, friends, for joining me here every day when I post a new video. I greatly appreciate every single one of you. Friends, the winner of yesterday's Walmart gift card giveaway is Deborah Herrera. Congratulations, my dear friend. Do check your notifications page or send me a message through Facebook. Thank you, my dear friends, and have a wonderful and blessed Monday.
Discussion about EPA's fiscal year 2022 budget request. I'd like to open by first thanking you. It's always good to start with a thank you and notes of appreciation, but you made an early commitment to work with me on a number of issues that uniquely affect my state, that are important to Alaska. You and your staff have been responsive in engaging with me and my team, and I truly do appreciate that. It's my sincere hope that this level of outreach and coordination will continue throughout your tenure as administrator. And on that note, as the agency under this administration reviews and potentially rescinds regulations that are promulgated under the